So hello guys, today I'm going to be exposing a scammer. Her name is axel334 space xoxo, as you can see here. So she said she was going to trade a drip cap, and I really want one of those. So I told her okay. So look at how our chat followed. Does she really think I'm stupid? I've been here longer than she has. I mean, she just joined last month and she's trying to scam me. I've been here since 2014. Oh, you she won't scam us, so let's get started on our chat. It started with me telling her let's straight. Hello, show me something like that. Wait, that's just my sister, leave her alone. Do you have red hairs? She asked, and I don't go first. Do you want it still? Are you on laptop? Yes, I want it. Okay, give me black arrow hair for the cap. No problem. Do you want it or not? I do. Accept my request. Okay, well, give me the black arrow hair and I will give you the drip cap. Give me the black arrow hair or else I won't give you the hat. Let's use trade systems. No one gets scammed. Now accept my trade. I'm on my tablet. Liar. So I think she has removed it from her friend list. But she was meant to have a mobile on her hair and she didn't. If you were there, if you were there will be a mobile on your head. I know it does not show when you're using a Samsung iPad though. She's so stupid. Samsung is still mobile, only laptops that will work like that. Oh really? Because since Sam though this girl should really speak English. Because since Samsung is slow, it lags the game. Yeah, on Apple it shows though. Sigh. So I thought maybe reverse psychology will work for her. Too bad. I was planning on giving the person who gives me a drip cap one of my old accounts. Oh, sorry, the account shall be on one. And the more subscribers I get, I may actually give the account out to you guys because I don't really need it. Well, I can't get it then, I guess. Look, I know you're lying. Drop the act. You drop the act. I'm offering you a 35k extra coins hat, and you're being rude to me. Stop being. I'm not though. It was a type. Yeah, it is. Sorry about that, guys. So she's not telling me I'm crying now. I'm not used to people being mean to me because I had three of these caps and gave two of them away to really nice people. Wait, how did you know I had a black hair? You know the only way to do that, guys, is to try to make a look of the person so you can get a view of their clothes. And you can only do that on laptop. You can only make a look of someone when you are on laptop or desktop. It doesn't work on me. Don't lie to me. I can make a look of you. It doesn't work on phones, but since tablets are bigger, it allows you on there. You can only do that on laptop. I have a tablet too. No, you can't. Yeah, I was playing on one right now. Stop thinking I'm lying all the time. Don't want it on your fine, be right back. So I just did it so I can show you guys what a liar and scammer she is. She's trying to scam me. Do you really think I'm going to scam you? Honestly, yep, I've been scammed. So have a look at me. I'm on level 8 and I barely have any kill close. I want to come and say, okay, see, life means okay, so you're acting like you do not want it. So I guess you don't. So she barely has any kills. That's why she's trying to scare me. I won't ever believe it until we use a trade system. And since she doesn't want to develop. So thank you guys so much for the video. Remember, subscribe to my YouTube account. Love you guys. Thank you.